Hey everybody, Two Chef Mission here with Tony. We're gonna go ahead and show you a new skill to go ahead and implement into your kitchen, so that way we can, help you be more safe and efficient throughout your cooking process.
Okay, so today we're going to show you how to dice an onion. So we're gonna peel it. Right now, cut this part off. And then cut a little bit of the root in. You don't want to cut all of it off because you want to keep your onion still intact, and the root holds everything together. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And then so there's a lot of different ways that you can cut or dice an onion, but one of the easiest ones that I found is if you kind of see these lines along and you follow it with your knife. So you go through all the way around. And depending on the size of dice is depending on how far apart you're going to cut those strips. And then once you've gone through the onion, the next step is coming across this way. So the only thing you want to make sure of is that you're tucking your fingers under so that you're not cutting them. And you cut all the way back to the end of the onion. And that is how you dice.